Poem.
Poem, lesson as a teacher. Lesson as a teacher.
Recite.
Recite the poem. First, then practice
Reciting.
reciting the poem.
Okay,
I
very.
am good child.
Child. Go.
I am good child. That is what I have learned from my father and mother, who care for me. I am a good child. I will do that
What?
what is right for my father and mother, who love me truly.
Clearly. To love me.
Who love me clearly. I am a good child. I love everybody for my father and mother, whom I love so dearly.
Wow, very good. Mayo. Basa din dali daw kani last.
In this lesson, you will be able to
Identify.
identify the letters of the
Alphabet.
Letters of the alphabet.
Lesson. Lesson to your
Lesson to your teacher as you learn the letters of alphabet. Lesson as your teacher reads the
Dialogue. Then
Then answer the question below. Mother and Pat. One Saturday afternoon, Mother was watering the plants with Pat. Pat and Ellie watching her
mother.
mother. Hi, Pat and Ellie. Have you
Reviewed
reviewed the letters? Pat,
of the alphabet.
Mother, Ellie. Pat, not yet, Mother.
Not yet, mother.
Not yet, Mother. But may we play for a while
Before reviewing
the alphabet.
the alphabet.
Okay, play with your puzzle in the yard. Do not go outside the gate. Yes, Tita. What is the dialogue about? Draw something.
What is the dialogue about?
What is the dialogue about? Draw something about it on a sheet of paper.
Very good,
Sa
Zamarake.
taas, kay maabot rin din.
Kaya ka ni Zamara basahon, oh. Perfect, Z. Good job.